One of the key things in terms of gearbox control and gear shifts using the C-motion lever is field and road mode. When in field mode, as we are at the minute, a short push forward or back on the lever will shift only the power shift steps, so 1 to 6. When we get to gear 6, let's say it's B6, so we get to B6, another short push on the C-motion won't allow us to go into C range. So for draft work, ploughing, things where we have a heavy pull on the tractor, we don't risk brake and drive while changing a range. If we then activate road mode works slightly differently. A short push on the C-motion will shift all the gears from A1 to D6. What it will also do is, between ranges, it will allow the gearbox to speed match. So for argument's sake, we're in C6 on the road, we give it a short push, click into D range, and it will choose most suitable gear in D range for the speed that we're doing.